Welcome back to Rick's YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to show you how you can crossplay between the Xbox and the Nintendo Switch and vice versa. First off, hit the free settings tab on the Xbox controller, go into settings and just enable crossplay actually in the Epic settings. So make sure that's on. Once that's on, save it, press A to confirm, hit the settings tab again on your controller, go to Epic Friends, go to add an Epic friend, and then you'll need to add their email that they've signed up Epic with or their Epic username, not their Nintendo Switch name or their Xbox name. It'll have to be their Epic name. Then click add. It will send a request onto the other system. They press join and then you could add them into your party. So I hope that helps them out. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more future videos. Thanks for watching.